In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to you make text to video using Google AI Studio. It's quick and simple. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your mobile device. I am using Chrome browser for this tutorial. Then in the search bar type Google AI Studio and tap on the official link to open the site. When prompted, confirm any required permission to continue. Then tap on the three-line menu icon at the top left corner of the page. From the menu, tap on Video Gen option. Now describe the video you want by entering a text prompt. Be as clear and creative as possible. Then tap Send and wait a few seconds. Google AI Studio will now generate your video automatically. And that's it. You have successfully created a video from text using Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.